In this video, I'm going to explain how you can add a subdomain in Namecheap. Open up Namecheap, sign into your account, hover over your name, and then go into dashboard. Now from here, from the left-hand side, we are going to click on domain list. And once you select domain list, find the domain which you want to create a subdomain for and click on manage to the side here. Once you select manage, we will need to go into the advanced DNS section. Click on advanced DNS, and once you click on advanced DNS, underneath the records here, we're just going to click on add new record. The record type is going to be a record, and here we will need to put the host. So for example, if you're trying to create a subdomain for blog, you will type blog here and then the IP address of that subdomain. Once you type the IP address, then you will click on save changes, and it can take up to 30 minutes for your subdomain to be created on Namecheap. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.